Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th. Exercise 3.2 question number 2 part 2nd. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables, because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system. Second, inconsistent system. Third, consistent and dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solution. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. It means you can solve your question very easily by the help of these three types of algebraical methods: substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question very easily. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me, so do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.2. Question number 4. Which of the following pair of linear equation are consistent? Obtain the solution in such cases graphically. Second part, x minus y equal to 8, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. It is given equation. It is given equation. You solve this equation and decide given equation shows consistent system or not by graphically. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. See the word. Form of pair of linear equation equations in two variables are form of pair of linear equations in two variables are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Clear? Firstly, we find two solution of each equation. We find two solution. solutions of each equation. We find two solutions of each equations. First equation, here first equation is x minus y equal to 8. X minus y equal to 8 is first equation. 3x minus 3y equal to 16 is second equation. It is first equation and it is second equation. Clear? We find two solutions of each equations. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Clear? Here first equation is x minus y equal to 8. We find two solutions of equation first. Here xy point A and B. You put the value of x is 0, then it become 0. Now you put the value of y is minus 8, it become plus 8. Minus 8 become plus 8. Plus 8 equal to plus 8. It means it is correct. Both sides are same. Your coordinate is 0 and minus 8. You find coordinate 0 and minus 8. Now you put the value of y is 0. Then it becomes 0. And you put the value of x is 8. It becomes 8. 8 equal to 8. Both sides are same. It means it is correct. You find the coordinate of point B is 8 and 0. It is clear? Now we find two solutions of equation second. Equation second is 3x minus 3y equal to 16. It is equation second. We find two solutions of equation second. Here x y point, here x y and here point C and D. Clear? You put the value of y is 0, then it become 0. Now you put the value of x is 16 by 3, then it become 16. 16 equal to 16. It means it is correct. It is correct. Your coordinate is 16 by 3 and 0. You find coordinate of point C 16 by 3 and 0. Clear? Now you put the value of x is 0. Then it becomes 0. And here you put the value of y is minus 16 by 3. Here 3 cut 3 minus become plus. It means 16 equal to 16. Both sides are same. It means it is correct. You find the coordinate of point D is 0 and minus 16 by 3. It is clear? You find the coordinate of point A, B, C, D. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. We plot point A, B, C, D on Cartesian plane. Now we plot points A. A means coordinate 0 and minus 8. 0 minus 8. B coordinate 8 and 0. 8 and 0. C coordinate 16 by 3 and 0. 16 by 3 and 0. Point D coordinate minus 16 by 0 and minus 16 by 3. 0 and minus 16 by 3. Clear? We plot points A, B, C, D. on plane. On plane. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is your Cartesian plane. Here x dash, y dash, origin. It is your Cartesian plane. Clear? Firstly, you plot point A, coordinate a point A, 0 and minus 8. 0 at x-axis means at origin. Here at origin. Clear? Minus 8 at y-axis on negative direction. Here minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is here. It means point A is here 0 and minus 8. 0 minus 8 is here. Clear? Now you plot point B. 8 and 0. 8 at x-axis on positive direction. 0 at y-axis means at origin. Here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is here and 0 is at origin. It means the coordinate of point B is 8 and 0 is here. Clear? You join point A and point B. You join point A and point B. Clear? It is according to first equation. It is according to first equation. X minus y equal to 8. Equation first. It is according to equation first. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now you plot point C. 16 by 3 means 5 whole number and 1 by 3 proper number at x-axis on positive direction. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is here. It means 16 by 3 is here. Point C 16 by 3 and 0. 0 at origin means here. It is point C. Coordinate 16 by 3 and 0. Clear? Now you plot point D. 0 and minus 16 by 3. 0 at origin, minus 16 by 3 at y-axis on negative direction. Clear? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is here. It means minus 16 by 3 is here. D coordinate minus 0 and minus 16 by 3. It is clear? You find point C and D. Now you join point C and D. Here you join point C and point D and produce this line. Here it is according to equation second. Here equation second, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Equation second. And it is according to equation first. This line is according to equation first. Here x minus y equal to 8. Equation first. It is clear? No confusion about it. This line AB is according to equation first. Line CD is according to equation second. Line AB and line CD is parallel. Line AB and CD is parallel to each other. Clear? We plot point A, B, C, D on plane. And we find lines AB and CD are parallel. Lines AB and CD are parallel. Here line AB and line CD is parallel. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It shows parallel lines and no solution and inconsistent system. Parallel lines are parallels. It shows parallel lines, coincident system, parallel line and inconsistent system. Inconsistent system and no solution. It is clear, no confusion about it. You solve your question very easily and you decide. Given equation first and equation second shows parallel lines and inconsistent system and no solution. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. It is easy, clear, no confusion? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it? Very good. Okay.